all. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you 10 of my favorite hacks for the home. So let's just jump right in. Okay guys, if you are short on counter space as I am, one thing you can do is you could create your own little island. What I did was I got this rectangular kitchen table, I repainted it, I bought 6 sheets of ceramic tile, I bought grout and adhesive, and I put it all together. I created my own little island. And I got these cute little swivel chairs to go with it. And this island has really served my kitchen well. It's great for doing prep. It's great, especially at the holidays, for putting out lots of food. And you don't necessarily have to get this size, just depending on the size of your kitchen. You could even get just a small one, just something enough to give you the space to do a little bit of prep. So yeah, my kitchen is a little bit bigger, so I was able to get a table that is a little larger. So it really has served my kitchen well. So, and it's super easy to do, very simple. So yeah, so that's one of my tips for the kitchen. Okay, now some tips for inside the fridge that I wanted to share with you guys. I recently got the idea to buy some little storage containers, and I got these at Dollar Tree. These ones on the top shelf here, these came 2 in a pack, so they were basically 2 for $1. And what I did was I took my eggs out of the regular carton, and I just stacked them inside this little bin. So not only does it make your eggs easier to get to, it also frees up some space within your fridge. So rather than using your horizontal space, you're utilizing your vertical space. So that's what I did with my eggs. I also took another one. I put my sticks of butter in another. We like mozzarella cheese sticks, so I broke those up and I put those in another. And I just happened to have some yogurt, so I put a couple of cups of yogurt in the last one. And the ones on the bottom, I absolutely love. These were also from Dollar Tree, and they were $1 each. And I love these because they have the handle on them. And I put my packages of sliced cheese in one. I put my lunch meats in another. And one thing I think, and I might go grab another one of these because I think this would be really great inside the freezer for ice cubes. So I may do that. So that's one extra tip for you guys. This little slender one here, I also got at Dollar Tree. Actually, no, I believe I got that maybe at Dollar General. But those were 3 in a pack, and I just use those for some of the smaller items that I keep within the fridge. Right now I have Baby Bell cheese in there, but those would work also for your butter sticks or cheese sticks or just any little small packets of anything. Say like you get, say from like one of your favorite pizza places, and you get some extra sauces or anything like that that you haven't used and you want to toss those in the fridge, you could use that little slender basket for things like that. So just anything that's small that you keep within your fridge, you could use that little basket for. So yeah, I'm really happy with these baskets, and obviously, you know, you could rearrange them just depending on how much food you keep within your fridge. But yeah, I think those are gonna serve us really well. So I'm really happy that I got them. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, and yeah, I hope you get some use out of those tips as well. Okay, now if you use dryer sheets, once you're done with it, just take it out of the dryer, fold it up, and put it down inside one of your drawers. You can do this for all of your drawers. So just put it down like off to the side, and it helps to keep your clothes and your drawer smelling fresh. Are you short on storage space within your bedroom? Well, my suggestion is to put your bed up on risers, like I did with these. And these are about 7 inches tall, and by doing this, this will allow you more storage space underneath your bed. I got these at Bed Bath & Beyond. I believe they were right around $25, and again, I believe they're about 7 inches tall. I know there are some that are a little bit taller, and some that do come with an outlet and perhaps a port so you can charge your electronics at night. Now, if you have a lot of shoes but not a lot of floor space in your closet, one thing you can do is you can take a hanger that you would normally hang your jeans on, and you can hang your boots on those. Now, if you have the space to do so within your closet on your rack, that's where you can hang your boots. This will help free up a little bit of space in your closet. So this is just what I did, just as an example. I myself don't have the space to do so, but this is one tip I have for you guys. Okay guys, my first tip for the bathroom is, if you have a shower curtain liner that just doesn't want to stay in place while you're in the shower, and you happen to have old school ceramic tub, then my suggestion is taking 2 to 3 magnets and just putting them, I'm demonstrating on the outside of my tub just because it's easier to do. Just take a couple of magnets, 2 or 3 magnets, and put it on the end. Here, I'm just going to do it like this just for demonstration's sake, but just put one on each end of your shower curtain liner, and if you have a third one, just put it in the middle. And it'll help keep your shower curtain liner firmly against the tub and not blowing inward and getting in your way. So that's my first tip for the bathroom. Very simple. Any magnet will do. I just have 2, and they serve me well. So okay guys, another tip for the bathroom is, and if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know that I actually put one of these on the top of my tank. But my suggestion is, put a basket on the top of your tank and just keep 2 to 3 rolls of toilet paper inside the basket. There's nothing worse than being in the bathroom and being out of toilet paper and not being able to get to it. So keeping a basket on the top of your tank with some rolls of toilet paper will save you from that awkward situation. Okay guys, my last tip for the bathroom is to store your mouthwash inside an olive oil bottle. Not only does it look really pretty on your vanity, it's much easier to use because you don't have any lids to fumble with. You just put it in the bottle and tilt and pour, and you're ready to use. Okay guys, one of my favorite tips to share with you guys today is for either your living room or your bedroom, wherever you might have a power strip and you might have a lot of electronics. My tip is to use these bread tabs. Take these and put these on each one of your cords and label them so that you will know what each cord goes to. So you don't have to struggle with, trying to figure out what cord goes to what. You just have these little bread tabs that you normally would throw away. Just take these and, take a permanent marker and, label each one so you'll know what cord goes to what. And I love that idea. So I'm really happy to share that with you guys today. So I hope you get some use out of that tip. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you found some of these tips useful. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and I thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.